Hello friends, welcome to our RD Excel YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about copy a worksheet, move a worksheet, freezing rows or columns in the worksheet, protect a worksheet, hide or unhide rows in the worksheet. Let's get started. The topic in short. Copy a worksheet. Open your Excel workbook that contains the worksheet you want to copy. Click on the Sheet tab at the bottom of the Excel window to select the sheet you want to copy. Right-click on the selected Sheet tab. In the context menu, click on the Move or Copy option. This will open the Move or Copy dialog box. You will see a list of existing sheets in the workbook under the To Book drop-down. If you want to copy the sheet within the same workbook, leave it as it is. If you want to copy it to another workbook, select the target workbook from the list. Below the To Book drop-down, you will find a list of worksheets. In the selected workbook, choose where you want to place the copied worksheet. If you want to create a copy of the worksheet, make sure to check the Create a Copy checkbox. Click OK. The selected worksheet will be copied to the location you specified. Move a worksheet. Open your Excel workbook. At the bottom of the Excel window, you will see Sheet tabs. Locate the Worksheet tab that you want to move. Click on it to select it. Click and hold the selected Worksheet tab with your mouse cursor. While holding the tab, drag it to the desired position among the other sheet tabs. As you drag, you will see a black arrow indicating where the sheet will be placed. When you release the mouse button, the worksheet will now be moved to the new location among the other sheets in your Excel workbook. Freezing rows. Open your Excel workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to freeze rows. Click on the row below which you want to freeze rows. This means that all the rows above the selected row will be frozen and remain visible. Go to the View tab in the Excel ribbon. In the window group, you will find the Freeze Pans button. Click on the small arrow next to it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, choose Freeze Pans. Excel will freeze the rows above the selected row, making them always visible as you scroll. To unfreeze rows, simply go back to the Freeze Pans option in the View tab and choose Unfreeze Pans. This will remove the freezing effect, allowing you to scroll through your worksheet normally. Freeze columns. Open your Excel workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to freeze columns. Click on the column to the right of where you want to freeze. Now go to the View tab. In the window group, you will find the Freeze Pans button. Click on the small arrow next to it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select either Freeze Pans. This option will freeze the columns to the left of the selected cell, making those columns always visible when you scroll horizontally. Freeze Top Rows. This option will freeze the top row so it remains visible when you scroll vertically. To unfreeze columns or rows, simply go back to the Freeze Pans button and choose Unfreeze Pans. This will remove the freeze and allow you worksheet to scroll freely again. Freezing columns or rows can be especially useful when working with large data sets, as it keeps important information in view while you navigate through your spreadsheet. Protect a worksheet. Open your Excel workbook. Click on the Worksheet tab that you want to protect. Now go to the Review tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Protect group, you will find an option called Protect Sheet. Click on it. A Protect Sheet dialog box will appear. Here you can set various options for protecting your worksheet. You can choose to enter a password to restrict access to the worksheet. Customize the protection settings according to your needs. Click the OK button when you are ready. If you set a password, you will need to confirm it in a separate dialog box. Click OK again to apply the protection. If you set a password, they will need to enter it to unprotect the sheet. Hide rows. Open your Excel worksheet. Select the row or rows that you want to hide. You can select multiple rows by holding down the Control key or holding the cursor over the rows. Right-click on one of the selected row numbers. Alternatively, you can also go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Cells group of the ribbon, click on the Format option. From the Format menu, choose Hide and Unhide and then select Hide Rows. The selected rows will now be hidden from view in the worksheet. The row numbers will skip over the hidden rows, but the data in those rows is still present and can be unhidden if needed. Unhide rows. Select the rows before and after the hidden rows. Right-click on the selected row numbers and click on Unhide, or in the Cells group of the ribbon, choose Format and then select Hide and Unhide followed by Unhide Rows. This will make the hidden rows visible again. Hiding rows is useful for focusing on specific parts of your data. Thank you.